Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will show the example of text view, how we can display the text view and how we can style the text view. And text view have many properties. So now we will show the real example of text view, how we can implement the text view. So now we can go to the code. This is the XML file. Text view is main tag text view. So on text we can, this is wrap content and this is the wrap content. At first we can set the text view id, this id text view. By this id we can set any kind of property, and we can set text view text from programmatically. Programmatically, how can we put the text view title from programmatically from activities, we will show later. So here text view title text, this is the text hello text view. So we can see the view. This is showing too much is small. This is the text view. We can set the text view size, text size. We can define that 24 dp, this 24 dp, and we can set the text view color, text color. We can set any kind of color, the text color. We can also we can text view text get from the string. Here is the values string file. We can define the string name my text, here my Android app. This is the text in string file. Now we can get text from string file. Here we'll @string, and our string name is my text. So we can text from string file. Now we will set this string from programmatically by activities. Here is our main activity. We can get text view by text view id, text view the text view class, find by id, rd dot id dot text view. Text view get from text by id. We can run our project. Gradle is running. It's again installing. So this is the text view my Android app. This text get from string. Now we will set text from activity by programmatically. Here is our text view. We can set data from here. Text view dot set text. We can set any string. welcome to my app. We can set it programmatically text in text view. So welcome to my app. This text set from the activity by programmatically set text. Text view have some property as like we want to show the all text is capitals. Text all capitals. This is true false. So here we can set the true. Now we will see the here is the text is I have normally defined. Now when I will run this, all text will be capitalized. So this is text, all text is capitalized. This attribute text all capitalized, and we will set it to all character will be capitalized. And have some property of we can align the text center, left, right. We can set the text in center. Here we can set the layout, send layout, gravity, center and horizontal, gravity, center, not working. In text view we can we want to show the text view in center. Here we take the relative layout, mass parent, content. The layout center particle is 2, and another attribute is layout align layout align parent and 2. This is not support here. So this item not support. Another example, we can set the hints by hints. We can run our project for display the text hints. Not showing hints when no text is defined, then these hints will be displayed. Hints. So this is by programmatically you can omit it and run again for display the hints. So here is the hints. When no text is defined, hints will display automatically by hints. If we set, then it will be ignored. Thank you.